students, welcome back to your channel Brilliant Minds by Neeru. In this video, we are going to revise few important questions for class 12th for computer science and informatics practices both. Okay, so I'm going to start with question number 1. Which clause is used with aggregate functions? The answer is the having clause is used instead of where with aggregate functions. See, in this you can see group by category, having some or whatever condition you want to give after having clause. Okay. Now question number 2. Which of the following operators can take wildcard characters for query condition? The options are between, like, in, not. The answer is wildcard characters are used with the like operator. And what are the symbols for this? Percentage symbol and underscore symbol. Number 3. In SQL, which of the following will select only one copy of each set of duplicate rows from a table? The options are select unique, select distinct, select different, and the last one is all of these. The correct option is distinct. Select distinct, that is the B part. Distinct command is used to select only one copy of each set of duplicate rows. See here in this, you see the query. Select distinct country from customers. Customer, the name of the table. And in this column country, you can see here USA, UK. These are repeated values and the output is USA, UK and UAE. Only once they are showing the result. Number 4. The primary key is selected from the set of dash, composite keys, determinants, candidate keys or foreign keys. The correct answer is the primary key is selected from the set of candidate keys. See here, in this you can find roll number and phone number. These are the candidate keys. So from these candidate keys, this set of candidate keys, primary key can be selected. Number 5. In SQL, which command is used to change a table structure or characteristics? Alter table, modify table, change table or describe table? The answer is to change a table structure or characteristics, you can use the alter table statement. Clear? Now let's move to question number 6. Your school has 4 branches spread across the city. A computer network created by connecting the computers of computer labs of all the school branches is an example of LAN, MAN, WAN or PAN. The correct answer is MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. Okay. Number 7. Print 5 asterisk 2 minus 5 double slash 9 plus 2.0 plus bool 100. So what will be the answer? So first I'll break down this expression into steps. First 5 asterisk 2 is equal to 10. Okay, then 5 double slash 9 is equal to 0. When you perform integer division, the result is a quotient, the largest integer that fits within the division. So here 0 will be your answer. Now bool 100 is equal to true. The bool function is used to convert a value into boolean, true or false. So here 100, it's a non-zero value, so naturally it is considered as true in Python. Now last one is I'm going to combine all these answers like 10 plus 0 plus true and 10 minus 0 plus 2. Okay, and then last one is true. I'm putting evaluate for evaluation. I'm putting the values here. This one is 10, then 0, then true. Then in between there is 2 also, 2.0. So the answer will be 13.0. Okay, so the result of the expression is 13.0. This is the correct answer. Number 8. Write full forms of the following. First is SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. See this figure, and this you can remember. As you know, visuals are always late. Till late you can remember it. You can never forget. See here, sender is sending some information to the mail server, transferring some mail. So for that, SMTP has been used here. See here the mail server, then POP3 is the protocol. and here receiver is the last end. Now write full form of the following. IMAP, Internet Message Access Protocol. In this IMAP, I've showed you the full form. See there, IMAP client, then IMAP server. And the protocol is TCP/IP. Number 10, state whether true or false. The expression is 2 asterisk asterisk 2 asterisk asterisk 3. It is evaluated as 2 asterisk asterisk 2 in brackets, then asterisk asterisk 3. Are they same? True or false? The answer is false. Why? In Python, the star star operator is used, means exponentiation. It is used when you have an expression like this. It is evaluated from right to left. So it first calculates this part, 2 asterisk asterisk 3. It means 8. Then 2, its power will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, like this, up to 8 times. It will calculate 8 times its power. So the result will be 256. And if we evaluate this part, then the result will simply become 64. How come? It will first calculate this part inside this parenthesis. 2 2s are 4. 4, then 4 into 4 into 4 becomes 64. So the final answer is false. Number 11. What gets printed when the following code is executed? Names is equal to Hassan, Balwan, Sian and Dia. Print names -1 -1. The answer will be only A from Dia. Why? Because first -1, it refers to the last element. This is the last element. Okay. And in which Dia. Okay, then in Dia, and this -1 means the last character of this last element. So the output will become A, small a. Number 12. Which among the following operators has the highest precedence? Plus, percentage, vertical. This is pipe, this is vertical. Then double star. Okay, this is for bit operations. Then double star operator means exponentiation has the highest precedence. See here also. This is the highest precedence. Then after that you find addition, modulus and bitwise operations. The correct answer is D part, exponentiation. Clear? Now question number 13. Central computer which is powerful than other computers in the network is called hub, sender, switch or server. The correct answer is server. This is the most powerful computer in any network. Number 14. In a range function, which of the following argument is mandatory to pass? Start, stop, step or all of these? The answer is stop. It is mandatory. The start and step arguments are optional. If not provided, start's default value is 0 and steps defaults to 1. Number 15. Which of the following characters acts as default delimiter in a CSV file? Colon, hyphen, comma, vertical line, or it has been repeated, sorry, again comma. In a CSV file, the default delimiter is comma. Okay. Number 16, fill in the blanks. This is the method used in Python while interfacing the SQL with Python to save the changes permanently to the database while inserting or modifying the records. So the answer is commit. To save changes permanently to a database in Python, you typically use commit method. So the correct option is commit. See here, the transaction is initiated here. If the all queries are executed successfully, then you type commit, means transaction succeeded. If any one of the queries failed, you type rollback, means transaction is failed. So the correct answer is commit. Now 17. What are cookies in a web browser? One advantage and one disadvantage. Tell one advantage and disadvantage also. What's a cookies? A cookie is a small piece of text file stored on a user's computer in the form of name-value pair. Cookies are used by websites to keep track of visitors. For example, to keep user information like username, etc. What is advantage and disadvantage? First, advantage. Cookies enable websites to remember user preferences such as language settings, login credentials, and customized content. This leads to a more personalized and fast web browsing experience. This is the advantage of cookies. And one disadvantage is also there. It can raise the security risk such as cookie stealing, sensitive data exposure, etc. Number 18, if the following code is executed, what will be the output of the following code? Name is equal to, in double quotes, you are giving the string I love my country, no spaces in between. Print name 3 colon 10. You are giving the range 3 colon 10. This code will print answer as OVEMYCO. Why? Because the substring of the name variable starting from index 3, from starting from 3 up to 9. This is exclusive. This number is always exclusive, means it will execute one number less than this number. So index 3, that is inclusive, and this is exclusive. So the output, the characters from index 3 to 9. So the answer will be OVEMYCO. Now, this is the second last question, students. Write a Python command to create list of keys from a dictionary. Dict is equal to A, capital A, B, capital B, C, capital. You see it is always given in the pairs, keys and values. So the options are dict.keys, keys, keys.key.dict, or none of these. The correct answer is A option, dict.keys. How come? See, I have typed the code here. Dict is equal to, give all the values here like this for dictionary. Then key list is equal to list dict.keys. And you are printing it, and it will show you this result. Now we come to the last question. Evaluate the following expression. 10 greater than 5 and 7 greater than 12, or not 18 greater than 3. First, I'm going to evaluate this part. 10 greater than 5, it is true because 10 is greater than 5, obviously. And 7 greater than 12, no, it is false. So this, for AND operator, both should be true. So here it becomes false because this is true and this is false. So it becomes false. Now this is false. Now come to this part. 18 greater than 3, right? True, but not. It is negating it. So it becomes false. So means false or false becomes false. So finally the answer becomes false. I hope it was good for you. You like these questions. You practice them very well. And stay tuned. Wait for my next video. Take care.